As we can see in this visualization, as a trend follower, one does not have to neither identify the perfect bottom nor the perfect top. Trend followers intend to ride the wave in the overall market consensus. In the next segment, we will briefly glance over some of the popular trend following systems. One of the most popular trend following stage theory developed by Stan Weinstein. In his theory, he utilizes the 150-day moving average and categorizes stock price movements into 4 phases. Stage 1 is an accumulation phase where prices stabilize after a decline. Stage 2 is an advancing phase, a strong uptrend, where participants are bidding prices higher. Stage 3 is a distribution phase, also known as topping phase, where stocks move sideways. Stage 4 is a declining phase, where stocks move downwards. A downtrend. And there is the Darvas box theory, which is a momentum-based trading strategy where you buy stocks making new highs on a high volume. So, by drawing a box around its price range, you enter a position when the price breaks out of the top of the box on high volume and exit. If it falls below the box's floor using a strict stop loss. The core idea is to ride a confirmed upward trend, not to predict it. Moving average MA crossover theory uses 2 MAs, short-term and long-term MA, on a price chart. A golden cross, when short MA crosses above long MA, it signals a bullish uptrend and suggests a buy signal, while a death cross, when short MA crosses below long MA, it suggests a bearish downtrend, indicates a sell signal, helping traders identify potential trend changes. This could be achieved by many different popular variations like 9 and 21 MA for short-term trading, 13 and 34 MA for medium-term swing trading, or 50 and 200 MA for long-term market participation. Now let's talk about how our trend-following system is different compared to the previous 3 methods. We have derived to our system using price action and volatility, therefore we don't rely on look-back period and kind of moving averages. In the next segment, we will cover the short-term system, which is based on the price range breakout, our long-term and medium-term system, which is based on the candle structure. And lastly, we will cover the LPA system, which is based on the volatility and extreme price level breakout. Based on the short-term trading range, we have defined a breakout and breakdown method. Once the price breaks out of the previously identified resistance, bullish trend starts and system will identify support level, which escalates the stop loss level as the bullish momentum continues on, and vice versa for bearish momentum. For our long and medium-term trend-following method, we evaluate the candle structure and determine support and resistance level based on the current candle structure. In the following 2 charts, we demonstrate how Lucid Trend concludes support and resistance line around those candle structure and determines the trend. Let's see the chart with medium-term trend. As the system evaluates end-of-day candle patterns, it dynamically draws support and resistance levels on the chart. The stock is holding a strong, rising support line, confirming a primary bullish trend, while a few resistance zones mark temporary headwinds level where price has previously stalled or pulled back from. Let's see the chart with long-term trend. As the system evaluates end-of-day data for candle patterns, it dynamically evaluates support and resistance levels data based on the medium-term trend setting and concludes the long-term trend and outlook for the stock. In this segment, we will learn about Lucid Price Action, also known as LPA. It is an evidence-based system which identifies recent high and recent low. Support and resistance lines are calculated based on the price volatility of the counter-trend move. Let's examine the chart with LPA trend. As you can see in this chart, the blue line represents the support line and red line refers to resistance level. System will raise the support line as trend progresses. Once the trend is broken, the bearish trend is indicated. You can apply our trend following methods on any of the Dow 30 stocks at absolutely no cost. We believe our system will help you improve your performance in the market, so why don't you try it out for yourself 100% risk-free? Visit lucidtrend.com